Good morning.
Where
have you booked us?
Oh, today.
Where have you booked us today?
So today, through Get Your Guide, I have booked us a tour of Phuket Island. So we'll be stopping off at some really nice viewpoints. We'll be going to Wat Chalong, which is the temple here one of the bigger temples here on Phuket. We'll be going to see the big Buddha. And I think we get a couple of hours free time in Phuket town to have a wander around. But I do want to go back to Phuket town one night. We're running out of time, but we've only got a week left. In fact, in a week we'll be home. So we've only got 6 days left, really. 5 days left.
If you didn't know, I'm Andy.
I'm Helen.
I'm Karon.
Hi Bob.
I'm Jessica.
I'm Pretty Boy.
One thing we can't control is the weather. And we started spitting a little bit, but hopefully it'll hold off or it'll only be with us for a little
I've
amount
got
of
to say,
time.
up to now, to say it's rainy season, we have been really lucky with the weather. Touch wood.
We're up at Caron viewpoint. Take a look at this.
And you see there, this is Kata Noi.
See?
Second one, Kata Yai. And we passed there before. And Karon Beach also. And the Phu Island, this west coast of the island. We stop here 15 minutes.
We're actually at the next point of call.
Which is the big Buddha, or the Grand Buddha.
Here in Phuket.
It's the largest Buddha in Phuket, but it's the third largest statue in Thailand, the third. It's 45 metres tall.
So it's not as big as the one that we saw on the Hidden Bank
and
top top.
25 metres wide, and it's covered in white Burmese marble, and it looks over Chalong Bay. It's facing Chalong Bay. Its name's not really the Big Buddha. It's something else really, really long, but I can't remember it. And
we'll put it in the bottom.
Even if I could remember it, I probably would pronounce it all wrong. It was built in 2004, but it's not finished. It's they rely on donations really for finishing it off, so it's still a work in progress.
Views, views and views.
This is Chalong Bay. We're going to Wat Chalong soon, which is Chalong Temple, which I would imagine is somewhere nearby, but look at that, stunning. And then when you turn round, look at that.
Now, just seen Helen,
I'm here.
and she says got to be careful here because there are monkeys.
Yeah, lots of
Hang on.
monkeys just over here.
Get the hat on, make sure it's
they're
secure.
good thieves. And there is a sign that says don't touch the monkeys, don't feed the monkeys, don't try to pick the monkeys up because they do bite.
And all around you'll see people have paid donations.
They must be prayers or something.
No, just people, some of them put like love, peace and happiness and things like that on. Oh, there's one there that stole somebody's mask and is ripping it to bits. Somebody's mask.
Alright, yeah. Naughty monkeys.
That's it, I'm off.
How out?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, if you come here, you've got to come here. Next part of the tour.
Wat Chalong, which is Chalong Temple in Chalong.
Firecrackers ahoy!
Yeah, sounds like they're having a party.
Up there is birds and they are pooping. Hopefully they'll miss me. But they didn't miss Helen and Cheska.
No.
That building there is actually where they do the cremations.
Yeah, crematorium.
Yeah, it's a
So
crematorium.
we're not going to go there.
And that building there is where they do basically ordained or
New
whatever they call
monks,
it.
yeah, it's where they have the ceremony for the new Buddhist monks, and it's only open when they've actually got the ceremonies in progress. So you can look at it from the outside today, but not inside.
So that was a cashew nut factory, and well done.
Well, we've done exactly the same as we do when we're going to what is it? The places that sell the turon.
Yes.
But they're very clever when they take you there. They take you when you're all starving because you've had no dinner, and they give you little free samples of all the different flavoured cashews that they do.
You'll see me taste them.
Yum flavor.
Tom Yum flavour.
Yeah.
ยังท้ายค่ะ Sweet ค่ะ seaweed flavor
Seaweed.
barbecue ค่ะ mushroom ค่ะ mushroom
ช็อกโกแลต
onion ค่ะ
Onion, okay.
garlic
Garlic.
coffee flavor
Coffee.
salted
Oh, salted. Wasabi. Now, this one I'm looking forward to. Oh,
นี่ฮอน
Well,
นี่
I put together as a biscuit type thing.
brittle.
My video.
So it's like a peanut brittle, but
Yeah, it's
cashew.
like brittle.
For me personally, the wasabi was number one, and the Tom Yum actually surprised me. I did like the Tom Yum.
But I like the brittle. They've got bars as well.
So this is where we spend a small fortune, but I'm by myself somewhere with my pennies.
Exactly the same as the Turon place in Seville and wherever else we've been. We've bought
Yeah.
probably more than our suitcase weight worth of cashew nuts.
And
We'll just
they're,
have to eat them before
they're in
we leave.
resealable tins, so that's great.
Yeah, they've got.
I want to.
the
I don't want. I
flavours
want to
are
take them home.
fantastic.
I don't want to have them now,
Yeah,
but I am hungry.
I'm hungry as well. Roll on Phuket town.
Hang on, where is it?
We're all there. We're all there.
So if you've liked this one, don't forget to give us a like.
Subscribe.
And ring that ding-a-dong.
Ding a ding a ding.
Isn't this place beautiful?
Hey, man.